Welcome to 99 Reviews with another interesting video. Today we're diving into the world of AI with Samsung's Live Translate, a real-time translation feature that is part of the Galaxy AI suite. This innovative tool offers instant translation between languages and is expected to expand into third-party apps in the near future. WhatsApp is rumored to be one of the first apps to benefit from this integration, allowing users to seamlessly translate text messages and even participate in translated audio calls. Samsung has been at the forefront of AI innovation, already integrating Live Translate into their default messaging app and making it available for phone calls. They also offer a standalone interpreter tool for instant audio translations. The potential integration of Live Translate into WhatsApp would bring a whole new level of convenience to users, making language barriers a thing of the past. Other tech giants like Apple and Google have also been busy developing AI features for their devices, showing just how important AI technology has become in the smartphone industry. Samsung is definitely not willing to be left behind in this race, and by giving third-party apps access to Live Translate, they are showing their commitment to staying at the forefront of AI innovation. We may hear more about these exciting new AI innovations at the next Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday, July 10th, where hardware launches, including the Galaxy Fold 6, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Galaxy Watch 7, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra are expected. So stay tuned for more updates, and be sure to subscribe for future videos.